हांव मरीना मोरायस, चेअरपर्सन ऑफ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप फेडरेशन तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता. आमी हो प्रेस घेवचो पडलो. आमचो गोराबो आनी आमचें काम बरें करून आमी करता म्हूण आनी आमी चो बरो करून दिसपट्टो आमी चलयताले. पूण थोडे येवन आमच्या पांय लागीं मेळ्ळे. तसले कुड्डे जायते मनीस आसात. I'll brief you on self-help groups in Porvorim. We have 200 self-help groups in Porvorim promoted by our MLA, Shri Rohan Kote. More than 5,000 ladies are involved in that. 200 self-help groups under one roof, and the self-help group federation was formed. Our members made homemade items and they were selling on this shop number 1, which were in the premises of Sukur Panchayat, and they were surviving on this for their daily expenses. But unfortunately, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, we took a temporary decision to keep the shop closed. And out of the blue, to our shocking, we were shocked with the news when we received the notice from the Sukur Panchayat and the Sarpanch asking us to hand over the shop back to them as it was closed. So many questions running in our minds. What did we do wrong? Did Sandeep Bazarkar and his Panch members want us to run the shop during these trying times and see that all the people were sick with COVID-19? Shouldn't we have maintained the protocol? What have we done wrong by keeping the shop closed? Of late, Sandeep Bazarkar and his gang have gone and joined the BJP. तुम्ही गेल्यात तुमच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक वचात, पण आमचे पाड घाली नाकात. 5,000 वर बायलो आमी पोट वयतल्या हे शॉपाचेर विकून वस्तू त्यो आतां कितें करतल्यो बसून?